Let's have some fun and complete our ecosystem puzzle. You will need scissors and glue. So first, using your scissors, you're going to cut out the puzzle pieces. Always be careful when using your scissors because they are sharp and they can cut you. Once you've cut out all the puzzle pieces, it's time to put the puzzle together. We're so close, just the last two pieces, and our puzzle is complete. Using this puzzle, you can now tell stories. For example, once upon a time, there was a great gorilla who lived in the beautiful forest. Have fun!